Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Dex here. Today I am going to show you how to apply the lens distortion effect in Alight Motion from the basics all the way to the advanced techniques. You can see this effect used in the shakes of Jurage and Fictic. You can add this effect into your own edits to enhance them. The XML file will be provided once we reach our like goal. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Let's begin by discussing the lens distortion effect. I'll illustrate this with an example. Here is a standard photo and here is another photo featuring the effect. You can notice the difference at the corner edges of the image when we apply lens distortion. This is how the photo appears if I boost the intensity of the effect. And if I add keyframes, we achieve this.